Hello guys. I have a problem with my floating mode here, and it is once what was fixed here, and I can remove the handle from this point. And second times when this happened was that I cannot move it till floating position. And now I had a problem that it's the floating position isn't holding my handle. The issue with the isn't holding is because my father just tried to repair this and couldn't assemble it again. And I want to show you how you can fix this, or how I am fixing it. So for this we need to go to the backside of the John Deere and to find out the correct how's that, the assemble part. Here is it. I mean, obviously by me on my position now, it's this one, because I already removed the cover, but it looks like a similar one, and you need to screw out these two sockets, I mean the bolts, and take it out, and you will find this cap here. Which you can also figure out which number of this is as written here, number 1 and number 2, in my case only 2. The floating has only number 1, and that is the problem where I have it. You need to first remove it and just take it out, and second, probably you will have, I mean, please remove also the cap here. It's just a plate. Now it's a little bit with more grease in my side, because I just tried to assemble it and didn't happen, because I just forgot this part. But you don't need to remove it. I want to just show you how you can remove it and reassemble it again. So second point, you will figure out maybe some kind of rust inside of it. I'm not sure how rust is going inside of this part, but I guessing there is a small little hole exactly there, which is also only does this plastic parts for a numbering. I'm not sure if there is some functionality for some kind of ventilation or something like that. From my point of view, that doesn't make any sense. Just fixing these problems. So second, you need to just take this part. Here is it. There is two parts. Please be careful. This part out. In this case, please don't rush. Just remove it and cover with your hand this part, because you will have some ball inside of it which will spring out. Let's try. In my case, oops. Yeah, did you hear it? Yeah, that is exactly the springing force. There is a ball, and I will just remove it, this part, back. So most of the case you will have rust on inside of it, or you will have some kind of trails, as you see the black one here exactly, and there is another one and another one. These trays are made by here, these balls. There are 4 of it, and that is a little bit tricky part. If you don't have enough grease here, you will have some issues to hold them in place because of the gravity and so on. Here is also the second ball. It's I just push it out, and under this ball is a spring also inside of it. We have ones in outside and one is inside. If I move it here, so you will see my handle is moving also forward and backwards. That is the movement, but it is just not holding because there is some issue just with the movement of these balls. So please remove them and make it clean, and you can just apply a lot of how's that, grease and can you put exactly in the back side. You will have also this part here. Please just just keep that in mind, that this position is in this direction. So I just remove it because I just forgot this part to put it, exactly this one, and I will just put it again. Let's see if I have some issues on there. So no, I don't have any issues. That is oh, almost no issues. Yeah, I cannot assemble it because this part needs first removed, and put this one, and so I can put the next one. Please, every time when you assemble it, just keep in mind that the balls need to be exactly there, and they are just moving because you are moving the part and the direction. So I just put there. And the trickiest part here, I already make it a little bit clear. I'm just using the same part. I believe I will just need to wash it again or clean it again after maybe 3-4 years. So that's why I will just use the same part, as I have some brush here. The tricky part is here, what my father didn't figure out is after assembling it like this, it's just not to put the cover here and just finish it. The trickiest part is just to push first the ball inside and then put this part inside. So you will have then the correct position. So I will try. I'm using just this my from my toolings here, and I try to push it. It's not moving. I need to just push it. I mean, lift it a little bit here, and push first, and put the balls there. I will try to find out a good place on my phone so you can see how I am doing it. So let's see. So I think there is a good place to see it. So let's see if it's possible to see it. First, take it out. The balls come out. That is the issue here and trickiest part. As I said, that's why I think I will try another method with a small pushing it. So let's see. I'm just lifting it a little bit till already is at minimum, and so yeah. So I have my part here fixed now, and I can push it till down. So the functionality is now here. I need to just assemble the cover. Just don't forget this this cover here, and before to put it, I would like just make a lot of grease. Let's see what's happen. So I hope I will just have a better part. So I will just grease my cap also. You can use some kind of a little bit more flüssig. How was that? Yeah, a little bit more, not that hard grease. Let's call it. So my corners moved. So it doesn't matter if you are putting it this way or other way. I think it's both is working. So just make it a little bit more. So I need to just wash everything after this. I am really curious to see the results, how it works. I made it last time and I just forgot how was it, and I need to open just the next one and figure out how it works. That's why I want to just make a video for myself and also for you. And if it's helpful for me, for you, it's really happy to me. Let's see if it's really work as I'm thinking. So, just go. Just make my hands more clear. And let's see. So, oh yeah, it is working. And it is moving just really good. I just removed one of them just to try to find out if it's work again. Yeah, it's working. So let's try it there. I don't know why I have this functionality here, but I don't have it here, unfortunately. Okay, I know that this doesn't working because I didn't fix the cover. But that was everything for this thing, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much.